Alright class, in this short video I'm going to explain how to solve gas law problems. It's very important when doing these questions to write out clearly what the question gives you and what the question is looking for. When doing any types of questions involving gas laws, this is actually very helpful in physics and in math as well. I'd like you guys to draw a quick picture. And then remember this mnemonic device. Kung, with no G, Kung Fu. The K stands for writing down your known. Your U stands for writing the unknown. For your N, you're going to name the right equation. The naming equation is usually the trickiest part because it's based on knowing what your known and unknown is. Next, you want to find your answer using math. And finally, make sure you write the proper units. Here's a quick graphic organizer that will show what to do in each step. Again, on the top, you're going to draw a picture of what you have. Next, you want to write your known and unknown, what the question gives you and what you're looking for. Next, you want to name the correct equation from the known and unknown. And finally, find your answer with the correct units. Please copy this page down so you'll know how to do your gas laws and any other types of questions involving calculations. Okay, here's your sample question. The gas takes up a volume of 17 liters, has a pressure of 2.38 atm, and a temperature of 299 Kelvin. If I raise the temperature to 350 Kelvin and then lower the pressure to 1.5 atmospheres, what is the new volume of the gas? So let's draw a quick picture of what's happening. Here I have a 17-liter volume, pressure and temperature. Temperature involves the gas molecules moving at a certain speed. I'm going to raise the temperature to 350, so in this case my arrow is going to be a lot bigger, colliding against the edges. My pressure also lowered. Next, you want to write down what you know and what you're looking for. It says a volume of 17. My initial volume is 17 liters. My pressure, initial pressure is 2.3 atmospheres. T, my temperature is 299 Kelvin. Those are my knowns. I'm also raising the temperature to 350 Kelvin and lowering the pressure, those are P2 and T2, to 1.5 atm. What is my new volume of the gas? I'm looking for V2, so that's my unknown. Alright, now that I know my known and unknown, you can name the correct equation. You want to look through your formula chart here, and on your formula chart you will see the equation P1 times V1 over T1 equals P2 times V2 over T2. That's changing our pressure, volume, and temperature numbers. Finally, I want to find the answer. P1 is 2.3, V1 is 17, T1 is 299, P2 is 1.5, my V2 is what I'm looking for, so V2, and my T2 is 350 Kelvin. If I cross multiply here, I could multiply all these together, and here I get 13,685 on the left. And then if I cross multiply these two, 299 times 1.5 is 448.5 times our V2. In order to solve this, I'm going to divide the 13,685 divided by 448.5. My final answer is 30.5, and then for you, make sure you write your correct units. It will be liters because my initial volume was in liters. Alright class, hopefully that was an effective way to solve your gas laws. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at kaminskil@hayescsd.net.